everyone, in this video we talk about decimals. Decimals are numbers with a dot called a decimal point that show parts of a whole. To add or subtract decimals, always line up the decimal point, then add or subtract like regular numbers. If one number has fewer digits, you can add a 0 to help you. Now let's look at a straightforward addition example together. Say example, I want to add 123.5 plus 234.2. Solution. If you look at these two numbers, they're having one decimal place each. So we say hundreds, tens, units, dots, tens. So 1 will come under hundreds, 2 under tens, 3 under units, our dots under the dots, 5 under tens. 2 will come under hundreds, 3 under tens, 4 under units, dots under the dots, then 2 under tens. Next, to bring our sign here. Now, 5 plus 2 will give you 7. Our dots bring it down. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So, 123.5 plus 234.2 is equal to 357.7. Now let's look at another example. In this case, we'll be having different decimal places. Let's say we have 212.21 plus 351.1. So in this case, we are having different decimal places. This one is having 2 decimal places. This one is having just 1 decimal place. So we say 100, tens, units, dots, tens, and hundreds. So our 2 will come under 100, 1 under tens, 2 under units, dot under the dots, 2 under tens, 1 under hundreds. The 3 will come under 100, 5 under tens, 1 under units, dots, then the 1. Now we add a 0. Bring our sign here. Next we add 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Our dots will bring it down. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 1 plus 5 will give you 6. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. So 212.21 plus 351.1 is equal to 563.31. Now let's look at another example. In this case, subtraction. So let's say we are having 753.32 minus 231.11. Solution. 100 tens, units, dots, tenths, hundredths. So 7, you bring 7 here, 5 here, 3 here, the dots here, the 3 you bring it here, and this 2 here. Then this 2 you bring it here, the 3 will come here, 1 will come under units, dots under dots, 1 under tenths, and this 1 under hundredths. Then our sign, you bring it here. Now 2 minus 1 will give you 1. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. You bring your dots down. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So therefore, 753.32 minus 231.11 is equal to 522.21. That's all for this video. In our next video, we will be talking about multiplication and division of decimals. Bye.